Welcome back to another video. This time I will be showing you my Snake game and my AI that plays the game or learns to play the game. And I just want to go over a few things first. So this is what I started out with, and it is based on a video Tech with Tim did. He just made like a basic Snake game, and I followed that tutorial and I made this, and this is right now me playing it. So the AI part I did, I used the NEAT algorithm. I have a couple of videos on my channel where I use it, so if you are interested in learning how to use it, you can go over to a video where I explain the NEAT algorithm. But for this video, I'm just gonna explain like an overview of how I kind of solved this. So for the sight of the snake, I gave it so it can see in front and to the left and to the right a certain amount of blocks, and that's about it. I have been working really long on this project, and I started around Christmas, and man, it took over my life for a while. I've been working really hard on this for like a month. I've said before, I'm not an expert. I'm really a beginner in this field, and I'm not really happy how it turned out. I think you can do better with this, but I don't have the time to work more on this, and I'm actually planning to redo the Snake challenge in a future video, but in another system. I'm thinking on maybe switching to C# and maybe use Unity for the game engine, but yeah, that's a future video. For the final version of the game, I divided the game area into 6 different boxes that contains a snake, and over generations it will evolve and play better and better, and the game will only render the snake if it beats the high score. So a lot of the progress is done behind the scenes. So and I have also like edited so it goes much faster than it actually does. But here we'll see every time the snake beats the current high score, and let's see how high we can go. We got to a score of 197, and yeah, that's pretty good. I'm happy with that, and I'm sure if you run this longer or a bunch of times, it's possible to get a high score, but I have tried this a lot and it doesn't get much better than this. I have been working on this for quite some time and changed stuff and all, tried to make versions of this, but the problem lies somewhere in the core of the structure. So to make this better, I might need to rewrite the whole thing, and yeah, I don't really have the time for that right now. So if you have, please use this, fix it, make it better. But I'm quite happy with the with how it learns to play, and sometimes I'm really impressed how it solves problems and how it can manage to escape itself and get the snack in difficult positions. So I'm quite happy how it turned out, but I feel like it's possible to make it even better, and that's why I'm planning to make it in remake the whole thing in a different system, so I can start from scratch and really solve or make it better. I know a lot of people have made this challenge before, and I know that if you want a perfect snake scenario, you might not use an evolutionary machine learning algorithm. There are different ways to solve this, but I feel that it's the fun part to watch it evolve and play, and yeah. So I'm gonna leave the code below so you can grab it and download it and play with it. And please, if you feel that you can solve this or make it better, feel free and send me the result. I would love to see what you guys do. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.